How to schedule a ride in Uber. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can schedule a ride in Uber, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to schedule a ride in Uber, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and launch the Uber app. So maybe you want to book in advance right away. All you have to do is, you can see at the very top this now button, right? This is the way to actually schedule our trip. You can just tap on this now option and then we'll open the drop down menu, and here you can see schedule a trip. So all we have to do is first of all select our date when we want it to schedule and then hit OK. Then we have to select a time as to when we want the schedule to be done, such as AM or PM, and then just hit the OK button. Now once you've selected a date and time, in order to schedule your trip, just tap on set pickup time. Now after you've done that, you just have to enter your pickup location. So let me go ahead and then simply enter my pickup location here. Once I enter my pickup location, I'll just select this, and then after you've done that, I'll just select the way to option. So I'll just go ahead and select my destination as well, and after I enter my destination, I just need to select it, and then after that your Uber will be scheduled successfully. That's all it takes to schedule your ride in Uber. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.